When it comes to site preparation, using the right advanced surveying tools can totally change the game and save you a ton of headaches. So, first off, GPS systems are the go-to for getting super accurate location data. They help contractors nail down exact boundaries and layout points without wasting time. Then, you got laser levels, which are perfect for making sure everything is level and even, so you don't end up with a wonky foundation. Total stations are another must-have, because they combine angle and distance measurements, which is like having a digital measuring tape on steroids. Drones are getting crazy popular for mapping large sites quickly. They provide detailed aerial views that make planning way easier. Soil compaction meters are clutch for testing how firm the ground is, which is huge for avoiding future settling problems. Always double-check your equipment before heading out to avoid delays. Also, make sure you keep your data organized and backed up so nothing slips through the cracks. Using these tools right makes site prep smoother and helps keep projects on track. One of the biggest mistakes site preparation contractors make is relying on outdated measurement methods, which causes inaccurate layouts and costly reworks. Fix this by always updating to the latest GPS and total station tech. Another common issue is not calibrating laser levels or soil compaction meters regularly, leading to unreliable readings. The fix here is setting a strict maintenance schedule for all your gear. Lastly, some contractors skip drone mapping because it seems complicated or pricey, but ignoring drones means missing out on detailed site data that saves time. Get over the learning curve, or hire someone who knows drones to maximize efficiency. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and have solid reviews. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by linking them directly to people who need their expertise, making the whole process way easier for everyone.